Block command. When we want to use a shape repeatedly, we apply the block command to it. This turns the shape into a block and stores it in AutoCAD's memory, so we can use it anytime we need. Step 1. Select the objects to be included in the block. Step 2. Define a name and other settings, then click OK. I'm going to explain each of these items and what they do. Name. In this section, we need to choose a name. Select Object. Clicking on this option temporarily closes the block definition window and we return to the AutoCAD workspace. At this point, you should select all the objects you want to turn into a block. After selecting the desired items, press the Enter key. We return to the block definition window. Retain. By activating this option, the selected objects will remain unchanged, that is not blocked, on the drawing sheet, and a block will be created and saved in the drawing file's memory. Convert to block. Convert selected objects into a block. And a block is created and saved in the drawing file's memory. Delete. By activating this option, the selected objects will be deleted, and a block will be created and saved in the drawing file's memory. Pick point. By clicking on this option, the block definition window will close, and we will temporarily return to the AutoCAD workspace. At this point, you need to select a point on the object as the base point for the block. As soon as you click on the desired object, you will return to the block definition window again. By clicking on this icon, a window will open showing all the blocks we've created. We can select any of them and transfer them to the AutoCAD sheet. Now, it's gaming time.